In this video, I just wanted to quickly update you on what kind of FreeDecks now you can build yourself, because we have a few versions and some revisions, and also some PCBs that you can order at JLC PCB or something like that to have it look more professional. Here's the first version of an SMD build, which uses the standard mounting with these standoffs that are made for drones, and it's pretty rigid. Then we have the Pi Pico version now, which uses a Raspberry Pi Pico instead of an ATmega 32U4. It has the same dimensions as the Arduino version, so the same cases will fit. And here is the Arduino PCB with a prototype adapter board. And here you can see the standoff with like a little rubber cap that just mounts here. But we also have a few cases that you can 3D print. And they simply fit like this. Then you take this part and then you have a nice looking FreeDeck. And you can also build those things with USB-C now, but I still got the micro USB version here.